Have you ever thought about asking for love, success, and prosperity and getting it all without so much as lifting a finger? I'm talking about being able to attract every single thing that your heart could possibly desire, and having all the wealth that you could ever need without having to work hard for it and without having to know the right people. If you're somebody that has dreamt about being rich and successful, but you've not yet been able to realize that dream, then today is the day that could change all of that forever. I will be sharing with you the precious secret that could change your life forever. A discovery that will feel like divine enlightenment and like reaching nirvana. In the blink of an all-seeing eye, you can have the ability to manifest anything your heart desires. Realize good health and boundless energy, manifest enviable career success, or tap into your entrepreneurial genius. Enjoy body confidence and a perfect physique. Reignite the spark in your marriage, or attract the romantic partner of your dreams. Now, I understand you might be a little skeptical. After all, it sounds a little too good to be true. But by the end of this short video, you'll understand not only why all of the wealth attraction methods you've tried so far have failed you, but also that the secret to attracting incredible wealth lies in the luckiest number of them all, number 7. In fact, all you're going to be asked to pay is a very small, one-time admin fee to cover expenses, server charges, and the costs of our customer support team who will be here to help you whenever you need it. All you have to do is click the button below this video and we can get started. As the famous Chinese proverb goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Now is the time to take action. Now is the time to transcend. But if you're at all unsure, please allow me to calm your cautious mind, because when you sign up to Aaron's 7-minute wealth magnet today, your purchase will be protected by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So no matter what happens, your investment will be protected. But I can assure you that there is no reason whatsoever for doubt or fear, because this incredible wealth magnet activation method has worked for thousands of everyday people, and it can work for you too. Before long, when you're holding that much-needed cash in your hands, all of your worries could be a distant memory. And you'll look back on this moment and breathe a sigh of relief and thank the universe for giving you the courage to take action and sign up today.